This is the noon report for freetradingvideos.com. Oil hits an all-time high. And Central Bank of Australia actually raises its interest rate. So with the hike came a 1% gain in their markets, and which helped us take off today, and we are up quite a bit right now. The S&P is up 18 points, and that puts us right here at 1.6% on the Dow, 1.7 here on the Nasdaq, the S&P 1.9, and a full 2% here on the Russells. The VIX dropped very nicely. We're back at the 25.4 mark here, and big run today. But let's look intraday on a 5-minute chart. Let's get rid of a little bit of info here. We popped today. We ran up, flatlined right here, and then shot up again, and here we are. Now if I draw a couple trend lines here, take a look at this on the 5-minute chart. We had this little rising wedge develop, and now we're on the other side of it. At this very moment, Eastern Standard Time, we're at 11:30 a.m. So we're just a couple hours into the markets right now, and I think there's a really good chance that this high that we just put in at the 1060.5 area, the high, you can see it right here, 1060.55 on the S&P may be our high for the day. And the reason I say that is because of our daily. If we look at our daily right there, this big trend line that we have coming up, it's just a massive trend line. What was acting as support is now acting as resistance. So if we close higher than this trend line coming down here, this would be the makings of a nice bull run. If this could turn out to be a nice bull flag. My gut feeling right now is we'll probably pull back, closing just below that trend line right here. It'd be very interesting to see how that plays out, but we'll just call it like we see it when it takes place. The bank come up. It's not relatively speaking, it's weaker than the other because we're just making a double top right here, when the actual markets themselves, if I pull this over, is making higher swing highs. So we have a higher swing high here, but an equal swing high here. So we have a bearish divergence starting to take place. I'm going to pull over the 30-minute chart. The 30 minutes looking really nice. We had this going right there, and here there's that little bull flag formation, and like these things to look nice. Yeah, so it wouldn't surprise me to see it pull back down, finding a support area at 1044, 1045 area, and then maybe going down below it. The end of today will tell us a lot. You can see some large volume yesterday. Right now, just mini regular volume here at this moment. Oh, I said a 30-minute. This is actually a 60-minute. This actually goes back a couple days ago. I had changed that. Let's go to a 30 here. And there we are with the 30. Yep. So there you have it. Be very careful what's going on in the markets. The bank was showing a little bit of a divergence. We blasted through a lot of resistance already today, and it looks like and the trend has been bullish all day long. And right now we're seeing a tick reading that's starting to kind of equal itself out, not nearly as bullish as what it was. And I look at net volume. Net volume looks like it's starting to want to perhaps roll over. The sharp increase that we were seeing there is starting to roll over. Instead of talking about, let me just show you, sharp increase, and now we get this, smaller candlesticks here, like it's wanting to roll over. But we don't have any red ones yet on the 10-minute chart. As soon as we start seeing red, we could start falling out. So there you have it. Thank you for being a part, and we will see you this afternoon, because tonight's video should be an exceptional one. Take care.